Fix YouTube loading buffering problem solve video not starting on your YouTube problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix YouTube buffering or loading problems. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, what you need to do here, first of all, you just need to go to Play Store on your device, and then after going to Play Store, just search for YouTube and then make sure to update your YouTube. If your YouTube is asking for an update, make sure to update your YouTube and check it out whether it is working or not. And the second thing is, if your network connection, check your network connection. If your other application like WhatsApp, Facebook are using properly, but your YouTube is taking time for loading and taking time to play the video, then what you need to do here, I'm going to show you. You just need to go to your phone settings on your device, and after going to your phone settings, just search for search for app management or install apps or app info. Just simply go here and click on app list or app manager. So now here, after going here, you'll find all the application that has been installed to your phone. Now you just need to search for YouTube here. So just search for YouTube, and after searching for YouTube, just simply you need to click on force stop button, and then you have to stop the first. Now you have to click on storage usage. Simply click on storage usage, and then you have to clear all the data here. So after clearing all the data as well as the cache also, you have to clear it. Go back and click on this permission option. Simply tap on permission option and you have to allow each and every permission. Now you have to restart your phone, and then you can check it out. The problem will absolutely solve. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.